Hi guys, Julain here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for watching. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your continued support. In this video, I'll show you how I exfoliate my lips using my homemade sugar scrub. If you're a fan of DIYs, the recipe will be listed in the description. And I'll also introduce you to my Mary Kay Satin Lips sugar scrub. The link for this and all other products used will be in the description as well. For this recipe, I used 3 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Do not overmix the ingredients. Exfoliate to eliminate dryness, flaking skin, and restore shine, softness, and smoothness. Giving your lips the best results for those kissable moments. Enjoy!
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life.
Apply your homemade sugar scrub or your Mary Kay Satin Lips sugar scrub onto your lips. Then use your pointer finger in a circular motion to firmly, but not roughly, exfoliate your lips.
Over your skin you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the.
Mm. Wow. My lips do feel really silky. Honestly, it's so smooth and it's just like gliding over each other. Wow. You know when you have gloss and it just glides so smooth? Oh, feels so good, guys. I think I have definitely achieved that goal of having smooth, kissable lips. I feel like testing it out. What do you guys think? Oh. Honestly, I feel like my lips aren't even there. It's so smooth. I'm gonna test it out. I'm definitely gonna get this tested out today.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't.
It is important to continually care for your lips to ensure they remain soft, supple, and as moist as possible. Exfoliate once per week, moisturize each night before bed, and keep hydrated. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.